welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Simon. Welcome, Simon. Welcome. Hey, Tamara. Welcome. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome. All right, guys. We have a lot of information to go over. We're going to focus on equities this evening. So let's get right to it. Okay. All right. All right, so you guys should see my screen here. All right, markets had a big day today. All right, so equity markets, no surprise. All right, no surprise. We know that the S&P and NASDAQ been making all-time highs. All right, no surprise there. Dow is breaking resistance, making all-time highs. And we also have the Russell that's moving up nicely here. So let's take a look at each of these indexes. Now, we took a look at big picture yesterday, so you guys know big picture, everything is still intact. All right, so the Dow big picture weekly time frame, breaking resistance here. S&P, same thing. NASDAQ, same thing. So buyers are definitely in control, and even the Russell is getting in on the action. All right, on the daily time frame on the S&P, all right, good price action today. All right, let's see here on the S&P daily time frame, buy signal here clearly in the markup phase. All green candles, nothing to do there. That's on the S&P. Now we'll take a look at Bullmaster and Bullmaster Pro this evening, guys. So just remember the S&P and the NASDAQ, all right, those two indexes are really carry the large cap stocks, all right, or mega cap stocks, whatever you want to call them. All right, the NASDAQ buy signal here, all green candles, clearly in the markup phase, yellow support and resistance, very bullish sign, no sign of sellers. That's really good for us, okay? All right, so S&P looks good, NASDAQ still looks good. The Dow, we're breaking through a pretty decent resistance here on the Dow. All right, so Dow right here, 40,000, guys, big number for the Dow. So 40,000 on the Dow, that's a big deal. Traders are watching these levels. All right, just remember, no selling. All right, so if you want to short stocks, just be careful. Now is not the time to short equities, okay? All right. So that's the Dow. So S&P looks good. Dow looks good. NASDAQ looks good. And the one we've been waiting on, small cap stocks, which is the Russell index. And just remember, right, guys, a large percentage of the stocks that are out there will follow these indexes. So when we trade, we always pay attention to the indexes first. So the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell. Then the sectors that are here. All right, so financials, energies, right, tech, all right, technology, utilities, biotech. So sectors first, indexes first, then the sectors, then the stocks, all right, in that order, okay? Small caps will follow the Russell. So the Russell index, buy signal here, gapped up, finally broke out of this resistance here. So we'll start to see some of the cheaper stocks, less expensive stocks, small cap stocks, smaller companies start to move higher along with large cap stock, okay? So very important. And we'll go through those this evening, all right? The VIX Volatility Index, and I know we have some new traders here this evening. The VIX Volatility Index, another important indicator when we look at the equity markets, okay? So in Forex, guys, we love to have volatility. We like movement, all right? In Forex, volatility is good. In equities, in stocks, volatility is not good. All right, so we want low volatility when it comes to equities. Now, we do like high volume, but in stocks, but low volatility. So the VIX right now, guys, is at 13. That's very, very low. If the VIX starts to move higher and gets above 20, like about right up here, okay, that's bad for stocks. Whenever we see that the VIX volatility index moves higher, guess what? Equity starts to come down. Stocks will come down, okay? So the important thing to note is that we never trade stocks, right, in a vacuum. We need to know what these indexes are doing, these sectors are doing, and the last thing we focus on is the individual stock, okay? So sectors are doing well right here, right? We have a lot of sectors that are up, few that are neutral, only a couple that's down, all right? So this is improving, right? Indexes, VIX looks good, okay? So let's go through current positions. Now we're going to focus on equities this evening. Last night we took a look at Forex. We'll focus on only equities this evening because we've got a lot to go over. Current positions in Stock Boss. Okay, so Stock Boss is our small cap system. All right, remember the Russell, small caps will follow the Russell index, and we know we have, all right, we have a buy signal here on the Russell. Prices breaking resistance, that's a big deal for the Russell, all right, and for small caps. So let's take a look at small cap positions in Stock Boss, okay? AMC, buy signal here, that's still holding. GME, GameStop, all right, that's good for GameStop. We've got a buy signal right here, guys. Buy signal was at $15. Now, GameStop, we've traded this before, made a big move here, retraced, and we've been holding it right at support. Good news is we've got a green candle coming in here, all right, on GameStop. That's very encouraging here for GameStop. Now, if we want to see price move higher, we've got to get past near-term resistance is about right, let's call it right about here. All right, so we need GameStop to break through that level here, which is right about $30 right here to see it move higher. Very encouraging though. We have a green candle here, so we know buyers coming back into GameStop. EBS, all right, great move going here. EBS, almost near its target. The buy signal, guys, was right at $3. Remember, these are inexpensive stocks, right? Small cap stocks, all right? Very different than your mega caps like Apple and, Tesla and so forth, okay? So these are relatively inexpensive. $3.58 was the buy signal, close today at $11.31. Great trade going here. Target on this one, where we might see sellers come in, is at $14.96. Let's call that $15. All right, so it's getting closer to resistance up here. So if you're in it, pay attention to it. All right, pay attention to your candles. Right now, it's all green candles. Really good move higher. You start getting white candles, you might want to, close the trade, take some profits off the table. Nice move here, okay? BARK, all right, buy signal here, holding firm. Target on this one here is, and this one is also near its target. All right, choppy, but holding fine there, okay? All right, so buy signal here at 140, trading at 179. INDI, that's holding. BW, good markdown phase, buy signal here, still holding. All right, target all the way up here. All right, remember, right, small caps, guys, have been struggling. So we should start to see some better movement, okay? So be patient with them. We do have, Russell is moving higher, so just be aware of that. EOS, good markdown phase. All right, buy signal was at 89, trading at 206. All right, all green candles, a bit of a pullback today. Nothing to worry about so far. We've got sellers at a resistance $3.87. All right, so we've got some, if it gets back, if it gets to that area, not a bad trade. All right, but good markdown phase, buy signal right here, holding firm. POE, good markdown phase here, right? This is third trade in the markup phase. First trade was here, second trade, here's the third trade here. We've got a target of about right here. All right. All right. That's it for small caps, stock boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster, large cap stocks. Okay. More expensive stocks. These stocks will follow the S&P and the NASDAQ. Okay. So let's go through these. AMKR, a lot of these stocks, guys, should be in that reaccumulation phase. Okay, so reaccumulation phase. A lot of your small cap stocks will find those where they're coming out of that markdown phase. Okay, different type of formation with these stocks. So AMKR, buy signal here, holding firm on a break of resistance right here. Okay. All right. ANF, that trade closed. All right, so close the trade. ANF, all right, two really good trades. Bought here, sold here. As a matter of fact, I think there's another trade here. So bought here, sold here. We can even go back. I mean, this stock has been trading really well. All right, so bought here, sold here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 profitable trades. All right, so great job here. ANF, previous trade here did really well. All right, and the last trade just closed today. Was it today? Yeah, today. Buy signal here was at, last trade was at 140, right? Close today, 169 closed the trade. All right, so buy signal here, white candle, sell signal, white arrow closed the trade. So ANF closed the trade, please. All right, CLS is still holding. All right, CLS, buy signal here on a break of this resistance, has been trading well. That's reaccumulation. Just remember, reaccumulation, guys. New buyers are entering the market. All right. This is common. This is not a surprise with the S&P and the NASDAQ continuing to make new highs. These stocks will follow these indexes. All right. So as these indexes are making new highs, these stocks will continue to make new highs. Not all of them. We have to be selective and pick the right ones. Okay. So CLS holding firm. COHR, buy signal here on a break of this resistance. That's, again, reaccumulation. All right. Buy signal here, markup phase. All right. Buy signal right here, moving up nicely. That buy signal came in at $61, trading at $79. Okay. Good trade going here. Let's keep going. YBR, again, this is reaccumulation, and these are large cap stocks. Here's your pullback. All right, moving up nicely. You do have some resistance here, so we need to get past resistance right here. Previous trade did really well. Okay, so CYBR, continue to hold that trade, please. Robinhood, all right, Robinhood. All right, the broker Robinhood. Buy signal here, been trading fairly well. Buy signal here came in by our system. $20, nice move higher here. Needs to get past the high right here, hopefully tomorrow. Close to the at 23 and change. Good trade going here. Reaccumulation, all right. Notice, guys, on this reaccumulation, we can keep buying and buying and buying as it keeps moving higher. No sellers in sight. Okay, that's good. HQY, close the trade, please. So, all right, let's analyze this. All right, now it's been trading well. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal was here. We're looking for buyers to get past sellers here. Resistance failed. All right, so broke support, previous resistance, becomes support, red candle, sell signal. So that buy signal was at $82, closed today at $80.48, closed the trade. All right, HQY. All right, we need to we'll go through this quickly, guys. LRCX, buy signal here, holding firm, traded well before previous trades, did really well. And here, Netflix, red candle came in today, so we need to close Netflix. Okay, so buy signal was here. First buy signal at 437, closed at 565. Last buy signal came in when we called it 638. Red candles came in on Friday, and white candle came in today, closed the trade. 656, closed the trade. It is done. Now, we'll keep it on our radar. If buyers come back in, all right, so we get a green candle come in, we might call this again. Okay, it has been doing really, really well. We'll see, but there are other opportunities. Okay, so Netflix for now, close the trade. All right, NRIX holding firm. Buy signal was here. Reaccumulation on a break of this resistance, trading up nicely here. All right, NVO, buy signal here. You guys notice a lot of these are strong stocks. These are large cap, mega caps. All right. All right, so Dow is doing well. S&P, NASDAQ doing well. Large caps, these stocks are holding firm. Okay, no surprise there. All right, NVO, holding. PD, all right, PD, close the trade, please. All right, let's take a look at the setup here. So here's your markdown phase, mark up. All right, buy signal came in on a break of this resistance here at $21. Red candles came in. We've got to close those trades. All right, close this trade. Remember, if we get a red candle, treat those as a sell signal, all right, which is your white arrow. So sell signal, red candle here, close the trade. So PD, close the trade. Okay. All right, PENN, that's still holding. All right, good markdown phase, buy signal, holding firm. Target is right here. PSTG, buy signal here, holding. Keep an eye on this one. Now remember, with Bullmaster, guys, we don't have any fundamentals, all right? So we're just trading the price action. With Bullmaster Pro, right, we do have fundamentals, so these stocks are a bit stronger, okay? But remember, when we get purpose support and resistance, all right, we don't have sellers coming in, just, right? These longs are under pressure, all right? So they're under pressure, so just be aware. We don't have any red candles, but just be aware that purpose support and resistance, we get in lower highs, lower lows within the markup phase, all right? So just be aware of that. So we'll hold it for now. RCL, Royal Caribbean, looks really good, guys, all right? So did well, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Current buy signal is right here, if you guys can see that right here. Buy signal right here came in right at around 142, trading at 167. Great trade going here. And look here, really good. Buyers are holding strong. Now, so on the daily time frame, I'm curious to see what it looks like on the weekly. All right, look at that on the weekly, guys. Buyers are definitely in control. And on the monthly time frame, look at that monthly, guys. All right, look at that monthly. Every single month, right, from right here what's that, 100 on the monthly. Not that we would trade it on the monthly, but every single time frame has been making higher highs, higher lows, and trading at 167. So great trade going there with Royal Caribbean. RCL, all right, RCL right here. And WIX give a sell signal. Okay, so buy signal was here and did well too. Look at the previous trade, guys. Bought here, sold here, right? Next buy signal was right about here and give a sell signal here. Now, buyers are coming back in. If we get a buy signal, another buy signal, right, we might call it, but for right now, we out. Okay, so buy signal came in at 152, closed at 155, right? Don't chase this. It doesn't have a buy signal, okay? So, right, prices can come back down. Sellers could come back down, okay? So, if, wait for a buy signal, okay? All right. So Bullmaster now, Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. So these are your large cap, mega cap, but with really good fundamentals, okay? So first one, Apple. Look at Apple. All right, buy signal was all the way down here. I think we called it, guys, right about here after that big break of resistance. We were watching it for a break of that resistance. That came in. So buy signal was right around 208, trading at 238 right now. And Apple is part of that Magnificent Seven. Okay, so Apple looks really good. Amazon, all right, Amazon's been trading really well. Let's bring in a trend line. And Joe is on here. Joe, you're using Bullmaster Pro, so we'll look for some opportunities this evening in Bullmaster Pro. Buy signal came in here on Amazon. It's still holding. All right, we need to get past resistance here. It's been trading well. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Great trades. Bought here, sold here. Had a hiccup right here. Is holding that trend line, holding resistance. We just needed to keep moving higher. Okay, great trade here with Amazon. Okay. All right, ANET, buy signal here, bit of a pullback, holding firm. APO, again, these are strong stocks, guys, with if they slow down, we'll know, but so far they're holding strong. Okay, so buy signal here. Previous trades did well. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance, right? And looks good so far. APO in Bullmaster. ARM holding fine. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Previous trade did well. We love this reaccumulation trades. I mean, the institutions are holding them. They are not giving up on these trades. They're holding. BROS, buy signal here, all the way down here, right? This was a new IPO, really struggled, right? We were hoping that it would break out of that zone, and it did. So buy signal here, right? A bit of a pullback. Buyers are back in, holding really good. Carver closed, all right? So Carver did close, all right? So buy signal was here, first buy signal. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Not a bad trade. We were hoping that Carver, guys, would break through that resistance right here. But guess what? Sellers came in, red candle, closed the trade. I wouldn't be surprised, though. Carver has great fundamentals, okay? I think it has a composite rating of about, I think, 97, 98. All right, so I wouldn't be surprised if buyers come back in, break through that resistance, and give another buy signal. Okay, but for right now, we have a sell signal to be out. Okay, so let's remove Carver here. Okay, all right, we good on time. Coca-Cola, that's holding buy signal here, holding firm on Coke. CRDO, great trade going here, guys. CRDO, buy signal was here on a break of resistance. Good price action. Look at that right here. Even if you guys don't trade equities, all right? If you trade Forex, it's the same thing, guys. It's the same price action, all right? Different markets, right? They might move a bit differently, but it's the same price action. So we can learn from, even if you don't trade equities, right? You can still learn from the same types of setups, okay? CRWD, buy signal here, broke support right here, yellow line, sell signal, all right? If it breaks to that resistance up here, give another buy signal. We'll look at it again. It's trading really well, all right? But this area right in here, this whole area here, struggled a bit, okay? So CRWD, and this one has great fundamentals too. All right, form FORM, buy signal here, just need to break through resistance here. GVA, that one gave a sell signal while I was out last week. So buy signal here, sell signal, buy signal on a break of resistance here, sell signal on a break of support here. So we should be out, but guess what? We got a buy signal today. All right, on a break of resistance. So we'll call it, so GVA, and we'll leave it in Bullmaster Pro. Okay, Bullmaster Pro, trading at, buy signal came in at $64 there. Okay. HWKN. All right, buy signal was here, guys. This is the one that finally broke out. All right, was in a channel here for a long time. All right, moved higher, but stuck between that channel right here. Buy signal came in here. We called that buy signal, but guess what? It just hung on right along, consolidated in here, right along that that resistance. Finally broke out last week. Nice big candle here. That buy signal, what a beautiful trade here. Not a good setup, right? We don't have a lot of these, but boy, it's turning out to be really, really well. So $79 was the buy signal, trading at 105. Again, we were hoping for buyers to really come in at this resistance, and they did that well. Okay, LLY, another really good trade. Eli Lilly, all right, LLY, buy signal here on a nice break of resistance at $7.99. You know, this is expensive. These are large cap stocks, guys. Okay, so if you can't, you know, you can do fractional shares, or, you know, I know some of our traders will do calls on these. Okay, just be careful with options, as always. But buy signal here, good price action. So that buy signal came in at $7.95, trading at $950, guys, $950. Great trade here. This seemed like it happened really, really quick too. MEDP, buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Notice how we do not want to sell at resistance. All right, and we don't want to buy at support. We want to be buying at resistance because the buyers are in control. All right, so notice, guys, how, right, when they break through, no, it's no guarantee. It doesn't happen every time, but it happens a lot. All right, when price breaks resistance, buyers come in here, here, here. All right, so don't trade against the overall trend. MEDP holding firm. Meta, Facebook, oh gosh. Great trading here. Here, buy signal was here. That's too bad. All right, so Facebook, buy signal was right here, right at 515. Guess what, guys? Came back below resistance, so previous resistance becomes support, and then we have further support here. With a red candle, we've got to close the trade. All right, so red candle here came in today, closed the trade. All right, we could see sellers, and that's an area where sellers right, like to take it down. What's the price here? So 482, right? So just close the trade. It can gap down like this. All right, so we'll close it. If buyers come back in, recapture this resistance here, we might call it again. But for right now, Meta is out. Microsoft, all right, buy signal here. We got out here, got back in about right here, holding firm so far. And NVIDIA is holding nicely. All right, after the split, the buy signal after the split was 102, trading at 129. We need NVIDIA. Well, it's not what we need, right? But it would be nice if NVIDIA, no, it's tested 140 right here. Last week, it came close to testing it again. I think it made a high here of 136. But we needed to, it's holding here, but we really needed to break through that the high right here. Not really resistance, just the high there, okay? Let's do this. All right, talk about a mega cap, right? So we're just holding, even if we can consolidate up in this area right here, we just need buyers to hold and then hopefully break through. Okay, so far it's just holding. Okay, so PIPR, buy signal here, moving up nicely there. All right, PLTR, another one. All right, good fundamentals here. That's AI. You guys know NVIDIA is AI. All right, PLTR, another AI. And what else? We're going to add Broadcom. I almost forgot. Broadcom is also AI. And it did a 10-to-1 split on Friday. Let's take, I think we do have a buy signal. So we'll add Broadcom to the list. Let's see here. How far are we up the buy signal? Well, we'll keep on. Yeah, I'll let you guys know. We'll take a look at Broadcom here. Okay. HIMS. Okay. All right. So PLTR buy signal here on the break of resistance looks really, really good. Okay. There's a lot. Traders are watching this because it's inexpensive. Buy signal came in at 25, trading at 28, and it is in the AI space. Okay. ROL, buy signal here. White candle, guys, keep an eye on this. Purple support and resistance, and a bit of a pullback. We need to recapture, right, that moving average. If we draw in a trend line, that should line up right with that moving average right here. So we need a bounce, okay? And then we need buyers to break through that resistance right here. All right, ROL. Tesla, good move in Tesla, guys. Buy signal came in right at 199, trading at 252. I know it's choppy. We talked about, right, Tesla needed to get past resistance here. And guess what? It made it all the way up and did it pretty quickly too. Okay, so resistance is right here. Let's move this up a bit. All right. As a matter of fact, we can just get it right about here. So we need to really get past this area here. The thing about Tesla is Tesla fell from about, what was it, $400, okay? So all of this here is a concern. Whenever you guys see consolidation like this, movement like this is a lot of indecision with traders, okay? So you might get the same thing here. If it gets past resistance and past the high, then we could see follow through by traders, okay? On the weekly time frame, you see here, on the weekly time frame, not a great chart. This is good. This is not good here. All right, a lot of indecision here. Now it's got to get past this area here. On the weekly, on the monthly, let's take a look. Okay, so, all right, this is where it fell from 400. This is on the monthly, so we had a big month so far in Tesla. All right, so we got to really get past this whole area here and then eventually get past the high here. So we'll see what it does. Okay, but we do have a buy signal. All right, and just know that that's a concern here. Okay, doesn't mean it can't break through, but that is a concern. Okay, WING gave a sell signal. Buy signal was right here. Previous trade did really well. Notice that some of these, not a lot of these, are closing. All right. I think we have a few, probably about 4 or 5 in Bullmaster Pro. We'll keep an eye on these. What we like when they close like this, certainly get out, but we would like to see buyers come back in and continue. If this happens a lot, then what that tells us is the market buyers are slowing down. Okay, so what we'd like to see after like this red candle like here, buyers come back in. So we would like to see, although we've got a sell signal, we would like to see buyers come back in. All right, green candles break through that resistance and give another buy signal. So with strong stocks like this, especially in Bullmaster Pro and even Bullmaster, all right, don't give up on them. All right, just wait for the next buy signal, and sometimes they will really pay off. So just put them on your watch list. Okay. All right, so that's it for Stock Boss as far as current positions. Stock Boss, Bullmaster, and Bullmaster Pro. Now I want to take a look at. Let's take a look at new opportunities. Okay, new opportunities. And we'll go through this quickly here, okay? So new opportunities, and let me share my screen. If I can find my cursor here, hold on. Oh, there it is. All right. And we'll start with Stock Boss. All right. So here is Stock Boss. I can see now we've got more opportunities. All right. Guys, 159 stocks in Stock Boss. Look at that. We went from what? 10 stocks, 15 stocks, right? Remember the Russell, right? Russell did not have a buy signal, was consolidating, and now, guess what? We've got a buy signal. It's moving. And guess what? These stocks are moving. No surprise. No surprise there. All right, so Stock Boss, look at Stock Boss, guys. That is insane. That is insane. That is insane. 1 week. Look at that. We went from 10, 15 stocks, guys. We track in HitSeeker over 20,000 stocks. And for months, we haven't had anything in Stock Boss, in HitSeeker here. And now we've got 100. And Joe is on here. Joe, when was the last time you saw this in Stock Boss, right? So, guys, I can't go through all of these. We'll have to go through these. I'll have to go through these offline. And then I'll send those over to our Stock Boss traders. Okay, that's a lot. And let's see which sectors that they're in. So basic material here. Financials, we have some healthcare, a lot of healthcare. All right, so let's make a note, healthcare. So healthcare, look at that. All of this is healthcare. HIMS, we're going to add that in Bull Master. Okay, that's a biotech. And right now, that's the #1 stock as far as fundamentals. And I think it has something to do with weight loss. It's a weight loss drug, I believe. And then technology, a lot of technology here. But healthcare, all right, so these small caps are coming back in favor, and it looks like healthcare, biotech might lead the small caps out of, all right, in this bullish run. Amazing, amazing. I've been doing this a long time, guys, and I'm always surprised. So 159 stocks here in Stock Boss, that's a lot. So I'll go over these overnight and try to find some opportunities, okay? For our Stock Boss traders. Bull Master, let's run it. Now, Bull Master have been averaging about 50, 40, 50, 60. Let's see here. Now, these are large caps. Let's run it. All right, 217. All right, that's good. So large caps. All right, so 217. That's a lot. All right, we haven't seen that for a while. All right, let's see what they're buying. So financials, so large Bull Master right here, financials, a lot of financials, so banks. All right, so so what that tells us is these banks are looking for a rate cut. All right, and these institutions are expecting a rate cut that will help the banks. So a lot of banks in here, a lot of financials. All right, healthcare, biotech, a lot of healthcare. A lot of healthcare. So biotech, all right, healthcare, biotech is healthcare, and then financials. In Bull Master. All right. Communication services and technology. All right, not a lot in technology here, okay? All right, looks good. And Bull Master Pro. All right, Bull Master Pro with fundamentals. All green today, guys. Look at this. All right, all green today. Let's see here. Yeah, Joe, yeah, long time ago, yeah. But they're back. They're back. All right. So, guys, we really, whatever is moving is what we want to trade. But boy, when these small caps, and thank goodness the Russell is finally breaking out, okay, because these small caps, when you can trade, all right, a $2 or $3 stock, all right, and it goes to $10, $15, $20, that's a good return, okay? With these large caps, large cap stocks, mega caps, it's a lot harder because they're more expensive, okay? So let's go through. All right, ZE, we're gonna call this ZETA in Bull Master Pro. All right, buy signal. Joel, you've got your Bull Master Pro. This one here, inexpensive, good buy signal came in here. All right, look at that previous trade. Nice break of resistance here. Nice big candle here. Not bad, inexpensive. Buy signal came in at 18.59, trading at 19.15. Not bad, okay, not bad. Let's see, and that's Bull Master Pro. So just look at your composite, but if it's in here, we know fundamentals are good. So ZETA Bull Master Pro, and that's relative strength at new high. So very strong. HWKN, we're in that already. AX, right? That's another one here. So we'll add that. AX, Bull Master Pro. All right. Let's do one more here. All right. GS. Are we in GS? That sounds familiar. There's so many opportunities, guys. GS, Bull Master Pro. This market is not crashing. We're not even having a sell in May and go away. Here we are in July, and this market is just raging. Okay, so find your opportunities, find your spot. Okay, you can't trade everything, but find your opportunities. Form, we're in form. All right, let's add one more here. CARR in Bull Master Pro. And then we're going to find a couple here in Stock Boss. Okay, let's see here. We're going to focus on healthcare. That's gone. These are early. Guys, I want to show you guys what I'm looking at here. These are early now. This is just happening. All right. So this stock here fell from $28. We got a buy signal here at $4.99. All right, close to there at $6. All right, so good discount. The problem here, though, because these are a bit early, we still need the weekly time frame. So we're trading on a daily. We need that weekly time frame. We need buyers to come in on that weekly time frame. All right, Joe, you in GS? We'll take a quick look at it. Okay, so we just need some buyers to come in. So it's too early here. Okay, sellers are still on that weekly time frame. Okay, let's see here. Oh. All right, let's see. All right, so we'll add, I'm just trying to find you guys some opportunities here. So SIGA in Stock Boss. Okay, on the weekly time frame, guys, we have buyers are in control. All right, so you guys can see here green candles. All right, and then on the daily time frame, our trading window. So this is very different from the previous where we had sellers. All right, so on the daily time frame, let me show you guys. Previous trade did okay, and all right, I won't call this a markdown. Just a pullback, a decent pullback. And then buy signal is right here. All right, buy signal right here on a break of this resistance, buy signal here. Buyers are holding firm. All right, so we got to get past this area. So we'll add it. All right, so SIGA in Stock Boss. And Joe, let's take a quick look at Goldman Sachs. All right, so Goldman Sachs, and good job finding it in Bull Master. So Bull Master Pro, Goldman Sachs. All right, so this, all right, Joe, good job. All right, so buyers, look at that on your weekly. All right, guys, if you think that, you know, because they've gone up so much, they can't continue to move higher, they can move higher. All right, so buy signal was here on the weekly, 361, trading at 492 on the monthly. Now, we wouldn't trade it on this time frame. Look at the monthly here, okay? So the daily, all right, so Joe, good job. All right, so trading well on the daily, all right? So don't be afraid, right? On that reaccumulation, they can go much higher. All right. All right, so great trade here, good setup. Joe, did you get in today, yesterday, Thursday, Wednesday? When did you get in? Just let me know when you got in. All right. I think that buy signal came in. When was that? Buy signal came in on 7/8. All right. So good trade, guys. Good candles here. All right. Good candles here. Nice break of resistance. And you got a good track record here so far. All right. Goldman Sachs. On Thursday. On Thursday. Great job. So you came in. So this is Monday. So right here. All right, good job. So you got in probably around 179 or so. Good job, good job, good job, good job. All right, guys. Stock Boss. I will go through Stock Boss. That's a lot of stocks. Even Bullmaster is a lot. Okay, so all right, too much to go through, and we're done anyway. So I can't say anything about equities, guys, okay? Everything is a green, no guarantees, okay? You guys know these markets can turn, but right now, it's all equities, all right? Indexes are making new highs. Sectors are holding. We didn't take a look at the individual sectors, but based on the price action, they're doing well. These stocks are doing well. What's nice is that these small cap stocks, so we're seeing the market where it's broadening. Now what that means is everything, okay? So large caps and small cap stocks are moving now. That's a very bullish sign. And traders have been waiting for small cap stocks to kind of, right, get in play, all right? So we could see some really good, 150, how much? Was it 159 guys in Stock Boss? That's a lot. All right, that's a lot of stocks to scan in one day. So just keep in, if you're not trading equities, if you're not trading stocks, just watch it, right? Watch what's going on, learn, so that the next time, right? The next time there is a bull market, okay, you'll be ready, okay? So, all right, guys. So great job, Joe. Great job. Very proud. And guys, Joe just got his system a few weeks ago, and you found the Goldman Sachs. That's a great trade. You got in on Thursday. Good job. Good job. But Joe's been trading with us for a while. Okay. All right, guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.